Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to round corners in Adobe InDesign. So now open your Adobe InDesign and follow these simple steps. Basically, in this example, I'm going to add a rectangle tool so we can round its corner. So now I have this rectangle tool, I have this stroke here. I'm going to add the stroke so it can be visible, and I will have it like that. And basically now we have our rounded tool. To add its corner, let's just zoom a little bit on it. So now we want to round the corner of our rectangle tool, so we need to select our rectangle, and then we will go simply to object, and here we will see something about the corners. So let's just search for the corner option and we click on them, and here you will find all the corner option. You can either link the corner so they will simultaneously have the same changing, or you can unlink them and have any corner with the changes that you want. So basically now I'm going to start having my corner here, and first you need to have like a type of corner that you want to change with. So let's just have a round one as we said, and you will have simply to add or edit these values, and as I said, you can unlink them and have each corner individually changed. And let's make this like a 0 corner and have this one for example like that, and have this one more than them. And then you will need to click OK, and basically you will have your shape corners that are rounded successfully. That means that to round your corners you will need just to go to object, select after selecting your shape or object, and go to corner option, and you start to change your corner. So simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.